Marhaba, I am Jumana, an online Arabic teacher who believes the importance of teaching Arabic to non-native speakers. It's open cultural and professional fields. Also, it's helping to understand the Arab culture and communicate deeply. So I teach the standard Arabic for reading and writing while focusing on the dialect and conversation to communicate facility every day.
I have been teaching Arabic online and one-to-one for 4 years now, and I'm teaching all the levels in Arabic, and I'm using Palestinian dialect and colloquial, and I'm teaching the Levantine dialect.
And I'm in Irlanda. I've been learning Arabic in the Excellence Centre with Saja for nearly a year, 9 months or so. Saja is an amazing teacher. I've learned so much, and I've been doing lots of talking, practicing my vocabulary and learning some grammar as well, and I've really enjoyed it. So shukran Saja. I really wanted to learn Arabic because I've been to Palestine a few times and I'd love to go back again, and have lots of friends over there. But the lessons in the Excellence Centre have been absolutely amazing and I really recommend them.
I prefer to teach my dialect, which is the Palestinian dialects or Levantine dialects in general. I've been teaching for 4 years now and I enjoy it very much more than standard and other dialects. And I prefer to teach my dialect and my accent to the foreigners, the advanced foreigners or advanced levels. It gives me more confidence to teach them about my country, my traditional and my customs, and it's very nice to share with my advanced students about my country and about my accent and everything where I come from. And I'm looking forward to you to joining my classes here in Palestine or online.
And I'm in Hollanda. I've been taking classes at the Excellence Center for about a year now, 2 or 3 times a week with Dua. I'm enjoying it a lot. This is the 3rd course I'm taking. First it was only textbooks and first Fossa and then another one. But now I'm sticking with this one because I've been challenged to speak a lot, which I really enjoy, and it helps me to really practice the language and start using it. So I can recommend everybody to start as well.
I teach standard Arabic for reading and writing while focusing on the dialect and conversation to facilitate everyday communicate. So I'm so happy to join us in our center.
أنا من New Orleans, Louisiana, بأمريكا. I have been tutoring with Saja for about 2 years now, and my main goal was to improve my conversational Arabic, which I have definitely seen some major improvement on, as well as my confidence. I would say Saja does a really good job at making her students comfortable and focusing on their individual needs. And so, yeah, I'm excited to see how much more I can improve from now.
I've been studying with Doha for about 2 years, and we study Arabic together. She's a very great teacher. We always have a lot of fun, while at the same time I've been learning a lot and improving my Arabic a lot. I would definitely recommend you guys study with her, and I wish you a good day.
Why you should learn Arabic language? Okay, you may travel to Arab countries and you will communicate with the locals and you will learn more about our cultures in Arabic. Yalla, join my classes.